Hey guys, in today's video we will talk about best wireless keyboards in 2022. All the wireless keyboards are cheap and have good quality. If you want to buy these products, then you can. Check link in description. I request to you please on the subtitles for better understanding. So let's start our video best wireless keyboards in 2022. Let's start with number 5. Number 5, Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed gaming keyboard is one of the best mini gaming keyboards available in comparison to smaller models. The V3 Mini Hyperspeed has a 65% profile. That means you won't have to give up dedicated arrow keys or a delete button. That is fantastic news for touch typists. The V3 Mini Hyperspeed is designed for gamers, with comfortable Razer green or yellow switches and full RGB lighting that can be synced with your other Razer gear. Here is the reason to buy Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed. Just enough keys, comfortable switches, streamlined design. Here is some reason to avoid. Expensive for its size. Short battery life on default settings. The price of this product is $160 on Amazon. When we check this product, you can check latest price from link in description. Number 4, Logitech G915 TKL. Logitech G915 TKL is number 4 in our list of best wireless keyboards in 2022. The Logitech G915 TKL is exactly what it says. A tankless version of the equally excellent Logitech G915. The G915 TKL, like the full-size model, is a fashionable and pricey accessory. It's also one of the market's only wireless mechanical gaming keyboards. If you want to get rid of your wired setup but don't have much desk space, this is probably the model for you. The G915 TKL, like other Logitech models, has excellent key switches, simple software, and a sturdy design. You still get discrete media keys, thin, elevated keycaps, and RGB illumination per key. Here is the reasons to buy Logitech G915 TKL. Compact size, excellent switches, discrete media keys. Here is some reasons to avoid. Extremely expensive, no wrist rest. The price of this product is $189 on Amazon. When we check this product, you can check latest price from link in description. Number 3, Vissels V84. The Vissels V84 stands out for its sturdy build and long battery life. It's also hot swappable, which means you can swap out switches if you want to experiment with something new. It supports Bluetooth 5.1 wireless connectivity to Windows or Mac PCs, and the weight of its battery ensures it won't move around under your fingers. This is an excellent wireless keyboard for the price and a great entry point into the world of mechanical keyboards. Here is the reasons to buy Vissels V84. Solid construction, fairly priced, versus 2 linear switches, very quiet. Excellent battery life. Compact 75% layout with Mac and Windows mappings. Hot swappable with 5-pin switch support. Here is some reasons to avoid. White PBT caps are pretty plain. PBT caps limited to more expensive V84 Pro model. The price of this product is $105 on Amazon. When we check this product, you can check latest price from link in description. Logitech G915 is number 2 in our list of best wireless keyboards in 2022. The G915 demonstrates how, just as gaming mice and headsets have become increasingly wireless in recent years, keyboards can do the same without sacrificing aesthetics or performance. The G915 is a stunning, ultra-thin gaming keyboard that can be connected to computers via USB dongle or Bluetooth. It's as fast and responsive as any wired peripheral, which makes it ideal for fast-paced gaming where every input counts. The G915 is both comfortable and visually appealing, thanks to low-profile key switches and full RGB lighting. The only real disadvantage is that it is very expensive. However, when you consider that it will save your desk from unsightly wires and will last for many years, it may be worth it. Here is the reasons to buy Logitech G915. Excellent key switches, beautiful design, robust software. Here is some reason to avoid. No wrist rest. The price of this product is $217 on Amazon. When we check this product, you can check latest price from link in description. Number 1, Logitech Ergo K860. Looking for a wireless keyboard that is dependable, versatile, and easy to use? The Logitech Ergo K860 is all of these things and more, with a split keyboard design that helps you keep your hands in place to reduce strain. One of our favorite features of the keyboard is the feet on the front side of the chassis, which allow you to adjust the height of the keyboard's deck. That's especially important for those of us who use standing desks because we frequently switch between sitting and standing. which changes where our arms land on the table for maximum compatibility. The Logitech Ergo K860 uses both Bluetooth and Logitech's own USB receiver. 3 device pairing keys allow you to quickly switch between paired devices, such as a laptop and an iPad. Here is the reasons to buy Logitech Ergo K860. Comfy wrist rest, adjustable front and back legs, made for both PCs and Macs. The price of this product is $126 on Amazon. When we check this product, you can check latest price from link in description. I hope you liked our best wireless keyboards in 2022 video. Please subscribe our channel for more product information. Thank you.